So how to update n8n cloud version? You might be getting the message that the new update is available. If you log into your n8n account, this is the cloud version here. Whatever version is available, you have to manually change the version. So right now you can see here there are two versions available. It was released 1 day ago. So I need to, of course, make sure that I get the latest version. So on the menu, if you see here on the menu, these are all the options, but you will be clicking on admin panel here. And in self-hosted, of course, this option is not available. In self-hosted, if it is, of course, a community edition, you will not see here. And you have to, of course, go to the PowerShell and update that. But let us first of all go to the cloud version. In dashboard, you will choose settings here. And in settings, you can see here n8n version. So here you can see n8n version is 1.7.6.4. So these are two versions available. Latest stable version is 1.78.1 and latest beta version is 1.79. So I'll be going with the latest stable release and simply save the changes. And it is asking for the confirmation because the workspace will require a restart. So whatever currently any flow is working, it will not, of course, work while the restart is taking place. I will confirm it. And now you can see successfully triggered the changes. Your workspace is restarting. So while it is restarting, of course, you won't be able to log in to the workspace. You can see here the workspace is currently applying the changes. It shows your workspace is now online. So I can restart my workspace in case there is any problem. I will now simply go back here to dashboard, and in dashboard I'll open my workspace now. You will see here now on the left side we will see the help, and there is no update available. So if I click on about n8n, you will see here 1.78.1. Of course, it has various new features available. You can explore them. Simple, if I go here, you can see here this AI assistant is added over here now. So there is a lot which has been added. So this was about updating the cloud version, and now we will be updating the local version here.